Bullish Algor and cost estimates for 2030 run from 82 cents to $1.56. Market researchers agree that a LGO could be worth 64 cents by the year 2025. The cost of a bearish program on the market is expected to be 14 cents in 2023. Showing an algorithm since its start in 2019, the formula behind digital money has had trouble rising above its ICO value. When the blockchain and coin banks worked together to improve El Salvador's digital money system, the price of a LGO went up in September 2021, but it has since lost most of these gains. Cost calculating sites and experts hope that it will return to similar amounts one day. What comes next for the altcoin? Let's look at how the blockchain system works, how deep it goes, and how much it costs. Improvement. How does Algorand, the algorithm and blockchain that tries to solve the problem of security, speed, and decentralization, uses a LGO as its local cash algorithm? It does this by making and confirming blocks through a process called an adulterated confirmation of stake. How much a client LGO, how randomly the block chief and review board are chosen depends on how much money is bet. Teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S. came up with the idea for Algorand in 2017. Its blockchain and neighborhood money came out in June 2019. The price of Algo coin dropped in an instant a day after the presentation of the Algorand major test in June 2019. The price tag on Algo's initial coin sale was 2.40, but it fell to 2.16 on June 22, which was the main day of trade. This was just the beginning. The worth kept going down over the next few months, and on September 27, 2019, it hit a low of 19 cents. This crash happened for a number of reasons. The first was the 10 billion symbolic shares that would be given out gradually. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public closeout during the first 5 years after the company was founded. Despite the high level of public premium, the market couldn't handle the large amount of LGO and investors pulled out. One more possible number is an estimate of $24 billion. The value of Algo's cash was broken down like this. Private backers of finance's investors bought Algos through secret agreements that set the price of each coin between 5 cents and 50 cents. When the token was delivered, it was worth $2.16, allowing individual investors to make huge gains. Duties for making algorithms. In the past, the letter was sent by boss Chen Fong to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early supporters had presented the drive to over-the-top dangers by undercutting and unloading coins as indicated by worldwide coin exploration Algor and specialized investigation in the wake of being added to Coinbase. The cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage as indicated by Algorand at the point. When the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, at last hitting a long-term high of 1.71 cents. Like the previous cost fall of the LGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Through a partnership with the transient currency, Algorand has become a real option for stablecoin guarantors because Ethereum has high gas costs. Market exchange platform Instamatch around the world. Algorand also stood out. Algorand handled a lot of transactions worth a lot of money all the time. El Salvador said in August 2021 that algorithm will be the foundation for its cryptocurrency foundation. At the time, a coin was worth about 1.12 cents, but in the days after the announcement, the price rose to a record-breaking 2.38 cents. Even though Algorand had just finished a change that made savvy shrinks better by letting them be written in popular programming languages like Python and Reach, the money ended at 1.63 Algorand is worth 18 cents USD right now. Algo has changed 1.62% so far, and there have been 51,929,387 trades. Algorand is currently the 41st most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $1,326,563,769 US. Using the general strength list and the Williams fractal and moving normal combination different from the above plan, we can decide cost designs for algorithm to figure out if it's going to be a good or bad year. Our cost expectation gauges use constant algorithm to figure out if it's going to be a good or bad year. Market information and all other information are updated live on our website. This lets us give dynamic price estimates based on how the market is moving right now. Algorand price prediction for 2023. Algorand is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The Algo price prediction for 2023 is for a huge rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 27 cents. This rise will be gradual, but there aren't likely to be any big drops. A cost average of 25 cents is very ambitious, but it is possible sooner rather than later if coordinated efforts and success go as planned. The base value of Algo should be 22 cents. Algorand promise of value. We think that the cost of a LGO will soon be more than 45 cents. This is because there is a lot of room for change between now and 2024 because of the predicted declarations of many new groups and projects. But before putting down any bullish trades, we should wait to see if the Algo's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone. Bets that take into account how hard it is to predict the market. Algo will trade with a starting exchange price of 36 cents and an average exchange price of 40 cents. Algor and forecasting value 2025. If the upward trend continues, it could hit 64 cents, and an LGO could benefit. If the market goes down, the goal may not be reached. In 2025, Algo is expected to trade for an average of 58 cents and a minimum of 55 cents. Algorand value expected. Assuming that Algorand does a good job of helping market opinion among people who like digital money, the price of an Algo coin could stay the same for the next 5 years. Based on our predictions, Algo will be green in 2026. In 2026, the algorithm is expected to hit and beat its record-setting high. In 2026, a unit of virtual currency will be worth 82 cents, with a starting price of 73 cents and an average price of 77 cents. After a lot of research and analysis, we think that the Algo price will cross a